Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am in Singapore right now at the Garden by the Bay. I haven't been here like almost in 3 years and it's so beautiful. It's exactly like I remembered, and you're just gonna go and walk around and I'm gonna take you with me. What is actually really great, and I didn't remember, is that actually you don't have to pay for the entrance. Just if you want to see the dome, this is the thing that you have to pay. If you want to see both of them, it's $28 Singaporean dollars. I think it's how they call you of their money. Or if you just want to see one, it's 20. But the whole garden is free, so this is really cool actually. I didn't remember that it was free, and it's so beautiful. So let's discover. Fun playground. Look at this.
Oh my god.
What is he doing? It's like we're doing this crazy things. Look. I'm gonna fall down. Picture. Look at this beauty.
Do you want to turn around and look at me?
Talk about this view, guys. Ooh la la. Very beautiful, this one. What is it about?
When they come to find when they come to visit it, they leave part of themselves behind.
Yeah, but there is another explanation for the...
They left Shanghai, they came to Singapore.
Sorry, they're going back to Shanghai.
Ah, they're going back to
Because
Shanghai.
they visited here and
Yeah, but that's just for the guy. There is another...
Ah, that's really cool. Okay, let's read it. La famille de voyageurs. What are they saying with the... Visiting Garden by the Bay and heading to the airport for their journey. Oh, that's so cool. Of course it has to be French. This one looks like, you know, in Pocahontas?
I haven't seen it.
No, you haven't seen Pocahontas? What? Oh. No, you have to see Pocahontas.
Still at this age?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Doesn't matter which age. We are finally visiting the dome. We did the first one, who was the flower one, and this one is the forest. It's the most beautiful one to me. and they have also like a big waterfall, and it's very beautiful. It's a bit pricey, but it's really worth it. We came to a place called Seoul Garden. It was recommended from one of our colleagues, and basically it's Korean food, and you have like a barbecue, so you come here to eat your meat or your tofu or whatever you want. You have a salad bar, and then you cook it in the middle. It's very nice. Bon appétit! I'm back in Dubai, and I'm editing the vlog actually that you're watching right now. I really enjoyed to go back to Singapore. It's one of my favorite country back in Asia. It's a very expensive country, but it's really cool. Everything is so clean in Singapore. And Garden by the Bay it was really nice to go there actually, and I did not remember that you didn't have to pay to go to the garden. I remember that we had to pay for the dome, but I thought you had to pay as well for the entrance for the garden, which you don't have to, which is amazing because this is where you see the big trees, so you can still go there for free and have some really nice pictures. And as you saw the dome, so there is one with the flowers, and one with more like a forest, and I think this one is it's very beautiful, especially that day. It was so hot, so it was really great to go to the dome because it was like fresh air. So yeah, that's about it. So if you did like this video, please put a thumbs up. It was all about nature in this vlog this week. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're still not subscribed. And I guess I'll see you in the next adventure. I'm trying to upload a video every Sunday at 6 p.m. Dubai time. So I'll see you in the next adventure, guys, and thank you so much for watching.